What is up, guys? Welcome to B4's Outdoors Adventures. I am your host, Brando Midelis, and I will be teaching you about Frankie the Frog. I'm going to tell you guys some fun facts about toads. So another word for toads are amphibians. They have dry and rough skin with short legs. They eat worms and other insects. Hibernate during the winter and lay eggs underwater. What come from these eggs are called tadpoles. Tadpoles are fish-like creatures with tails that live underwater. Alright guys, let's do the fun part. Let's get Frankie. Guys, look how huge he is.
He is huge. Alright, turn him sideways so we can see him. Look at that guy. My gosh.
Look at him.
Yep.
You guys see here.
Let's see, right there. Hold him. Whoa. Alright, time for a feeding.
Okay, so Frankie likes insects and worms. So in the background over here, we get things for free called June bugs. So, but when we can't catch them, we go to the pet store and we get mealworms and earthworms.
Okay, let's open the earthworms so you can take a look at those and see how they look.
Alright, so Frankie likes mealworms, so some mealworms are in this little container. So let's go ahead and open these. These mealworms have short legs. It's like a game, you have to look for them. Alright guys, guess what time it is? It's time to feed Frankie. Alright, let's open up his tank. We're not gonna let him out. We're just gonna give him the mealworm. Here he goes. By the way, up above our rules is my memento right there. And as you guys can see, on my shirt is the same exact thing. This helps me know how much I've done with my YouTube channels. It's my memory that, and I like, and this right here, that is what my aunt made me. It's a little picture. And My aunt did not make me this. This is just a shirt that my parents made, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me teaching you about Frankie. I hope you guys enjoy. Smash the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Alright guys, so you have to remember to hold him very tight, because if you don't, he goes to the ground and you have to chase him. I don't know if we should have Black Cat over here.
Grab him.
He's going that way.
Grab him.
He's going that way. Oh, whoa! Go get him. Oh.
All right, you caught him. All right, good job.
There he is. Right now it's time to put him back in his tank.
Hold on.
Right?